through cameras every night, pretending everything's alright. This golden cage feels far too tight. They own my voice, they own my time. This dream I never got to choose my name, still signed in ink and fear, like chains disguised as something dear. Do you miss me too? When the silence starts to burn, can you see the truth behind the smile you've learned? I've been working, barely breathing, in the role they made me fill. If you hear me like I need you, then this heart is human still. Still plays the same old tune. I bow beneath the lights too soon. I walk the halls they all control. The freedom's far beyond my reach. The life I live won't let me go. My name still signed in ink and fear, like lies repeated year by year. Do you miss me too? When the silence starts to burn, can you see the truth behind the smile you've learned? I've been working, barely breathing, in the role they made me fill. If you hear me like I need you, then this heart is human still. Maybe truth just waits its turn, while contracts teach my soul to bend. If you feel me break inside, that's me choosing truth again. Do you miss me too? When the silence starts to bend, can you see the truth behind the smile you've learned? I've been working, barely breathing, can the role they made me fill. If you hear me like I need you, then this heart is human.